woman of the north. These are tokens of mountains I bear on my arm.
Babae lang.
Trees I love, the lightning touch. Terraces lightly sleeping. Flowers, brown heirlooms I bear upon my breast. These arms dance too. Word, patterns of prayer to a mountain god. This, a sky birth of cabbages, newspapers, cans of water. Green, a baby hammock under the canopy of bread. Age-old pump of the land, enduring as the mountains, that marks my flesh down to the soul, that furnishes the soil, the gnarled,